When trouble strikes, get help from the all-new Sunex Roadster service jack. The foldable 23-inch long design stores in any vehicle and is easy to carry. The telescoping handle gives extra leverage when lifting the vehicle. Get off the side of the road and behind the wheel faster with the Sunex Roadster service jack. When your weekends are short and there's work to be done, the Roadster is there to help. It's powerful enough to lift full-size trucks, while the Rapid Rise technology lifts the load in less than 5 pumps. The compact footprint lets you store the jack even when garage space is limited. Let the Sunex Roadster help you tackle your next project.